The Wise Tortoise and the Birds. Once upon a time, in the heart of the African savanna, there lived a wise old tortoise. The birds of the region admired his wisdom and often sought his advice. One day, a severe drought struck, causing a scarcity of water. The birds were desperate and approached the tortoise for help. The wise tortoise proposed a plan. He would carry each bird on his back, one by one, to a distant oasis where water was abundant. Grateful for the tortoise's offer, the birds agreed. However, the tortoise had one condition. Each bird must promise not to speak a word during the journey. The first bird hopped on the tortoise's back, and they set off. As they approached the oasis, the bird became overwhelmed with excitement and exclaimed,
"We're almost there."
The tortoise, disappointed by the broken promise, stopped and explained that they could go no further. The bird, now realizing the consequences of its actions, apologized. The tortoise continued this process with each bird, and unfortunately, most couldn't resist the temptation to speak before reaching the oasis. In the end, only a few birds successfully reached the oasis without breaking their vow. The wise tortoise taught them a valuable lesson about the importance of keeping one's word. And so, the birds not only quenched their thirst but also learned the significance of trust and the consequences of breaking promises. The moral of the story: keep your promises, even when faced with excitement or challenges, as trust is fragile and difficult to rebuild once broken. Please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you. Bye.